Hey, good morning. If you've been wanting to get into insurance adjusting, especially if you've been wanting to help out with catastrophe claims with Hurricane Helene and Milton, I have a very important piece of information about the Texas license for you. There's a rumor going around, and it's based on old information that I'll explain, that if you want to do insurance claims, catastrophe claims in particular, you should get your Texas license, and that will allow you to do claims everywhere. Well, I just want to tell you that that's false. That's false. That's false information. It's misinformation, disinformation, whatever you want to call it. And it's based on how things used to be before they regulated the adjusting industry. The truth is, if you want to get into insurance adjusting and do adjusting on a national level for catastrophes and the like, you want to get your home state license. Most states in the union now license insurance claims adjusters, and if you live in a state that licenses, that's the license that you want to get. That is the license that is going to enable you to work claims on a national basis, and I'll explain how. Okay, so as long as we're clear about that, if you live in a state that licenses adjusters, you don't want to go get your Texas license, you want to get your home state license. That's the rule of thumb. So here's how it works. It turns out that there are 17 states that still do not license insurance adjusters. So if you want to go work claims for Helene or Milton or any hurricane or catastrophe, what do? You have to have a license. The way the industry has developed, there's this concept called a designated home state license, a DHS license. And a number of states allow you to get your designated home state license so you can use that state as your home base, as it were, for reciprocity. I'll unpack that for you, okay? When you have your license, you can use that state's license to get other states' licenses through reciprocity without having to go through the full process of taking the exam and applying to get every license in other states that you want. Because you have a license in your home state, you're typically able to use reciprocity to get licenses in the other states just by applying and paying the fee. That's reciprocity. So, with regards to getting licensed to get out there and help with hurricane claims, you want to get your home state license. If you live in a state that does not license adjusters, you want to get a designated home state license, the DHS license. And this is where Texas is often helpful because Texas has broad reciprocity. That means it's reciprocal with lots of other states. So you can get lots of different licenses just by having the Texas or the Florida license. Both of those are really good to have because they have broad reciprocity. You can take the course and the exam completely online without having to go and sit at a proctored exam and take a separate test. Okay. Yeah, one thing I wanted to say, I think that one of the reasons why this rumor that you should just get your Texas license persists is because there are a number of companies that license adjusters that really they only have the Texas license or maybe a couple others available. So they're eager to sell a Texas license. But I really want to emphasize that if you want to save yourself time and money and a hassle, you don't want to get the Texas license under the wrong circumstances, because what's going to happen is you're going to go through that course, pass the exam, get your certificate, and then you're going to go to the state of Texas and try to get your license, and they're going to deny it. Right? So let us help you out. We'll explain based on where you live, what license you'll need, or licenses, or what the best state to get licenses. Adjusterpro.com. We've got a ton of information on our website. We've got consultants who can help you. And we really want to be an asset for you as you get into this industry. There's a lot of adjusters needed right now, lots. And we don't want you to waste time getting into the field, right? So again, get your home state license. Stop by adjusterpro.com. We license for every state of the union. We'll help you make the right decision about getting into this business. Thank you so much.